I have been looking for you. I have been looking for you.
You found me.
Everyone has been searching for free Groq AI ever since XAI shut it down. And I just came across something incredible. Creators were locked out, YouTubers panicked, the entire internet went searching for alternatives. And honestly, I was searching too. Then, I stumbled upon a brand new platform that gives you completely free access to both Groq AI and Google Veo 3.1 in one place. No subscription required. I personally tested it, generated multiple videos myself, and the results genuinely surprised me. So today, I am going to walk you through exactly how it works, step by step.
Every warrior here was born for this moment. We rise together.
To get started, open your browser and search for Gemini Gen AI. Select the first result and create your account using either your Google account or email address. Once you are signed in, you will automatically receive free credits to begin generating content immediately. From the dashboard, navigate to Studio. You will find several options including Chat with AI, video generation, image generation, and more. Select Video Gen to enter the Video Creation Studio. This platform currently supports Veo 3, Veo 3.1 Fast, and Groq AI, all accessible on the free tier. Additional models are currently in development and will be available soon. I will begin with the Veo 3.1 Fast model. Select Text to Video, paste your prompt into the text field and click Generate. Before proceeding, ensure your aspect ratio is correctly configured. The free tier produces videos at 720p resolution. Generation typically takes a few minutes, so let us allow it to process. The video is now ready. Absolutely remarkable. The visuals are clean, cinematic, and highly detailed. If you are not satisfied with the output, click Recreate to produce a new version. If you are pleased with the result, click Download to save it directly to your device. The platform also features a video extend option. However, that is reserved for the paid plan only. Now, let me generate another video using the same Veo 3.1 Fast model so you can see just how consistent the output quality is. The video is now ready.
This land belongs to us. Every warrior here was born for this moment. We rise together.
Once again, exceptional quality. The lip sync is precise, the visuals are sharp, and everything feels realistic and highly cinematic. The more you refine your prompts on this model, the more impressive your results will become. Now, let me walk you through the Groq AI model. Select Groq from the available model options. I will upload a reference image, then paste my prompt, which includes the character action, dialogue, and voice style instructions. Set the resolution to standard for the free tier and the duration to 6 seconds, then click Generate. One important tip: if your video appears stuck at 0%, simply navigate to Go to History and your completed video will already be there waiting for you. The video is now ready.
I've been looking for you.
You found me.
Absolutely stunning. The character movement is natural, the lip sync is perfectly synchronized, and the atmosphere is immersive and cinematic. This is a remarkably powerful tool for storytelling, African folk tales, AI short films, and professional creative productions of all kinds. That's everything for today's tutorial. I hope this has opened your eyes to what is possible with free AI video generation tools available right now. If you have already tried this platform or you are planning to, I would love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know how it works for you, whether it's your experience with the models, the quality of your results, or any questions you have along the way. If this tutorial was valuable to you, please give it a thumbs up. It genuinely supports the growth of this channel. And if you are new here, kindly hit subscribe and enable your notification bell so you are always notified when a new tutorial goes live. On this channel, we explore the latest AI tools, creative storytelling techniques, and African folktale production, providing you with everything you need to bring your creative vision to life using artificial intelligence. Thank you sincerely for watching. I will see you in the next one. God bless.